Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here, and we are at another Family Dollar. We're cleaning a bunch of Family Dollars this week, about 5 to 10 of them, about 10 of them in total. We're going around scraping the stickers off the floor, and we're going to be doing a detail mop and clean. As you can see, he's getting some of the loose ends here. This floor looks pretty good as compared to some of the other stores. But we're just going to do a walkthrough here, just see what we're getting ourselves into. Inspecting the floors is what we're doing right now. Just doing a walkthrough inspection, looking to see if we're going to have to pull anything extra out, or are we going to be able to get away with our normal basic cleanings. Look at that, they even have a fall sale going on, buy one get one half off. How about that? All right, looks like we have a coupon here. Oh, that's easy. That's able to get dust mopped up. And these floors look great. We're just gonna go do some final detail touching up. Let's check the food aisle here. This is mainly the main problem area. Food, drink spill. Look at that. This looks great here. Looks like they keep on top of this here. We got a sticker. We're gonna go ahead and scrape that one up there. And stay tuned. Stick with us. All right, we got Big Blue going, and we're putting down our solution, scrubbing the floors, and it's drying as we go. As you can see, let's put down the solution, and we're going down the aisles. Turn it, make our second pass, make sure we get the whole floor. We gotta put our floor signs down first. I had to go out to the car and look at it. I want to stop this video, turn off the machine, and go get our signs. Stay tuned. Got to put the signs down. What I remembered. We don't want to have any accidents. There's another one down there in that aisle. We got one up front here. Let's take this one. Put this in the back. All right, let's get back to it. We're all safe. Sorry. It's right behind you. Thank you. We don't leave until these floors are dry and check them out. They're looking good. They were looking great when we first came. We just touched them up a little bit. Some stickers in some areas. That's pretty much it. Cleaned the bathrooms really well. And as you see, he's finishing up, mopping it. So that's the last step. Got the cleaner down. Got them all cleaned. All right, they look great. All right, so we're all complete here. Stay tuned for the next cleaning.